Yes, hunty. Work that primer onto your face. Now to get rid of any barnacles you may have, take foundation and a damp beauty blender or sponge and make sure you blend it all out nicely. Take concealer and then place it over the top areas that you want to lighten even more and blend that out as well. Use a nice dusty translucent powder to set it all in. Now this look doesn't require a ton of contour, just enough to bring back some color into your face. Just only need to go a few shades darker than your own skin tone. Pop on some bright pink blush. Now add a nice little sweep of highlighter for that fancy glow. Alright, at this point you can continue on with regular makeup if you like. I chose to go the face paint route. I just really like this pop of color. This is part of the Mehron Paradise AQ Brilliant palette. It's the purple, and it's just very pigmented and thought it was perfect for this look. Now take a fluffy brush and some black eyeshadow, really pack it on the outer corner there, blend it towards the center, and then use a tissue or Kleenex to catch any of the fallout underneath your eye. Now you can take a couple of damp Q-tips and completely clean up around the eye area. We want it to look as circular as possible so that it looks more cartoon-like. Once you're done with that, take some concealer and go around the edges so they're even more crisp and clean. Blend those lines out once you're done. Highlight that area with a white eyeshadow to make that purple pop even more. Now take your black eyeliner. I'm sorry, I won't do it again, I promise. Line your tight line and waterline with the black, and then go back underneath both eyes with the purple. Back to the outer corner of the eye, this time we're going underneath, taking a smaller brush and black eyeshadow and the tissue trick once again, and really just smudging that in there. Now while the purple paint is still just slightly damp, you can add in some purple glitter. To keep in place what I had started so far, I am using one of my most favorite fixing sprays by Kryolan. You want to talk about something that keeps your makeup in place? This stuff will not budge. It is incredible. It's a little on the pricey side, but totally worth it if you're looking for a really great product. Okay, to finish up the eye, take a liner brush and black paint, or just a regular pointed eyeliner if you would like, and draw a half circle around the new eyelid that we have, and fill in any of the cracks with the black and the purple. Again, you can honestly complete this whole look with regular makeup if you would like. I just really enjoy using body paints and feel more comfortable with them, so that's why I continued on doing the eyebrows and the mustache with paint. But if you like using eyeliner better, go for it. It's totally fine. Also, I used a picture for reference to follow the shape of the eyebrows and the mustache for Captain Hook. At this point, I popped on some eyelashes. You can just use regular mascara, but I think that gives it a little bit more of a pop. Now to get that mustache nice and precise, just take the paint and really jam it up your nose. I'm sorry, I'm feeling spicy today. Just take the black lines up as close to your nose as possible, pop on some bright red lipstick and liner, and you are now one sassy pirate. Alright, here is our final Glam Captain Hook makeup body paint tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. You can find me at Bagel Queen on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.